What if I told you that right now, your internet provider can see every website you visit, and on public Wi-Fi, a stranger could potentially spy on your data? Sounds scary, right? That's where something called a VPN comes in. Most people think the internet is private, but when you browse normally, your device connects directly to your internet service provider, and your IP address, which is like your home address, online is visible. This means websites, advertisers, and sometimes even hackers can track certain information about you. So what exactly is a VPN? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. Think of it like a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. Instead of connecting directly to a website, your data first goes through a private, encrypted server run by the VPN company. This hides your real IP address and replaces it with a different one. First, benefit privacy. A VPN masks your IP address, so websites can't easily see your real location. Your internet provider also can't see exactly what you're doing. They just see that you're connected to a VPN. Second, benefit security. On public Wi-Fi at airports, coffee shops, or hotels, hackers can sometimes intercept unsecured data. A VPN encrypts your connection, which makes it much harder for anyone to steal your information. Third, benefit access. Sometimes websites or streaming content are restricted in certain countries. A VPN can let you connect through another country's server and access that content. Now the big question, do you really need one? If you mostly use your home Wi-Fi, don't download risky files, and just browse normally, you might not absolutely need a VPN. But if you use public Wi-Fi often, travel frequently, care about online privacy, or want more control over your digital footprint, then a VPN can definitely be useful. But remember, a VPN doesn't make you invisible. It doesn't stop viruses, and it doesn't make illegal activity safe. It's a privacy tool, not a magic shield. So in simple words, a VPN hides your IP address, encrypts your data, and gives you more online privacy. But whether you need one depends on how you use the internet. If you like simple tech explained without confusing jargon, subscribe to BrainByte for more videos like this.